Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when you want to run on smart app control but it is disabled. So how you can enable it, let's get started. First what you have to do is open registry editor. How to open registry editor? Go over to your desktop and then open start menu and then search for reg edit. Here you will see registry editor, open it and click on yes. Then what you have to do is click on view and make sure the address bar is checked. If it's not, then just click on this and it will open this address bar. Now what you have to do is you have to remove the whole address and then type in this address: HK local machine system current control set controls CI policy. Make sure you type the exact same as it is, then hit enter. You will be brought to this folder. Then just double click on verified and reputable policy state and it will be set to 0. You just have to remove this value and then set it to 1. Then click OK and restart your PC. Then try to enable your option and then hopefully your problem solves. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.